Welcome to the physics class. Today we shall discuss the new Cartesian sign conventions for spherical mirrors. There are 5 statements for the same. Let us see what they mean. First point, the object is placed to the left of the mirror. Look at the diagram given below. We have taken a concave mirror and placed the object on the left hand side. It is not mandatory to keep the object here. We can reverse the mirror and keep the object on the other side as well. But keeping it on the left will make the things easy for us because we are familiar with the Cartesian coordinate axis, that is x and y axis. Therefore, it is easy to keep the mirror in such a way that the object comes on the left hand side. Second point, all the distances parallel to the principal axis are measured from the pole of the mirror. We have placed the object AB at certain distance from the mirror. When we have to measure the distance between the mirror and the object, we shall refer to the point P, that is pole of the mirror. As the mirror is curved, we will not take the distance from any point, but we draw the principal axis and we take the linear distance on the principal axis from the pole of the mirror. It is denoted as D in the diagram shown below. Third point, all the distances measured to the right of the origin, that is along positive x-axis, are taken as positive, while those measured to the left of the origin, that is along the negative x-axis, are taken as negative. To understand what it means, look at the diagram given. The concave mirror with the object AB placed in front of it is shown. Light from the object falls on the mirror, so the incident light is directed from left hand side to the right hand side. Now, any distance that we measure from left to right here will be positive, while those measured from right to left will be negative. Let's take example and understand this. In the previous videos of image formation by concave mirror, we have seen 6 cases. The last case of it, the 6th case, where we place the object close to the mirror between P and F, we get a virtual erect and enlarged image on the other side of the mirror. Now, if you have to measure the image distance in that case, then we will be going from pole to the right hand side because the image is on the right hand side. Thus, image distance there will be positive. Say the image is formed at 10 cm from the mirror, then we shall write image distance is equal to plus 10 cm. For the first 5 cases, image is formed on the left hand side. It is real inverted, may be diminished or enlarged. When the image is formed on the left hand side, we measure the image distance starting from pole going towards the negative x-axis. Thus, image distance will be negative. Say the image is formed at 8 centimeters on the left hand side, then we shall write image distance is equals to minus 8 centimeters. So, this is the importance of a positive or negative sign in case of mirrors. Fourth point says that distances measured perpendicular to and above the principal axis, that is along positive y-axis, are taken as positive. Look at the object AB, which is kept upright on the principal axis. When we have to measure the height of the object, because it is going up towards the positive y-axis, we shall take it as positive. For example, if I keep a pencil at the place of AB and the length of the pencil is say 5 centimeters, then I'll be writing height of the pencil H is equal to 5 centimeter. Here 5 is positive 5. Fifth point, distances measured perpendicular to and below the principal axis, that is along negative y-axis, are taken as negative. Look at the image A dash B dash shown in the diagram. This image is formed below the principal axis and it is pointed downwards. Such distances are taken as negative. Now, if the image of that pencil which we had kept on the principal axis is formed at A dash B dash and say the image height is 8 centimeters, then we shall write the height of the image is equal to minus 8 centimeter. So that negative sign has got a significance, and looking at the value we can tell whether the image is formed above the axis or below the axis. This is the importance of sign convention in case of mirrors. This we shall use when we will be solving the numericals, and we will keep a note while we draw the ray diagrams as well. Do practice and learn these sign conventions. See you in some other video. Till then, goodbye.